Welcome to MS Craftshop. Today I'm excited to share a brief presentation of two journals I recently created. Originally, I had planned something entirely different for this video. I wanted to showcase my new paper collection, the Braids Fantasy, and the photo album I hope to decorate with those papers. However, during the cover making process, I encountered an unexpected setback. After completing the cover and feeling pleased with the result, I noticed that the bookbinding cloth had torn along the spine. It was also so transparent that pencil marks on the beer mat showed through the material. Feeling disappointed and unmotivated to start the cover again, I set the project aside and decided to try something new instead. That's how these two journals came to life. I was also inspired by Pink Monarch Prints, whose channel is linked in the video description below. So let's start with the first journal. For its decoration, I use a paper collection called Vintage by Make and Create. Since I no longer had the complete set, I had already used some designs in other projects, I combined what was left with various papers from my stash. Journaling is a wonderful way to use up those paper scraps tucked away in your drawer. The best part of journaling is that there are no rules. You're free to experiment, mix and create however you wish. For this journal, I also added paper embellishments, string, vintage style ribbon, lace, buttons and beads. Some of the tea and coffee dyed papers I used in this project were made by me. To decorate the second journal, I used papers and extras from the Flower Fiesta paper collection by Crafty. I had only a few 12 by 12 sheets left over, along with a few other sheets and scraps of paper from this collection in smaller sizes. This collection offers so many extras and embellishments, such as envelopes, pockets, and tags, that I decided to use only them to decorate the journal, adding a few other decorations from my stash. This approach gave the journal a cohesive, vibrant look. If you would like to see how it's made, a new tutorial will be available on my YouTube channel tomorrow. In part 1, I will walk you through building the journal's base, and in part 2, I'll show tips for decorating and creating booklets, mats, and other creative elements. If you watch this presentation to the end, please write journal in the comments and tell me which you prefer. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will join me tomorrow for another creative session. See you then!